welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. And so today we're just gonna hop straight into this video. Today I'm just gonna give you a run through of all the rest of the parts that we're taking off the parts Audi S5. So I've already made the video, this is just the intro, so I'm just gonna give you a quick time lapse of what's going on. You're gonna have to see me pull down some stuff out of the car, but what I'm trying to do is get as much stuff off that car that I need, because most of that stuff I could sell it back and make a lot of money back offers, and that plus could also offset the cost of rebuilding this car. So this one is not no update on the white Audi S5, but this is just this one now. All the parts that we're pulling off the parts Audi S5. We still have a lot of stuff on it, but most of the stuff is we're already trying to take as much stuff off so that we can sell it. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on. Check us out at Rebuildz.com. Check us out on all social media links. But let's hop straight into the video. Let's go.
So I just removed the airbag module. All of these wires, I'm still gonna take it too out of here, and I'm gonna remove this module that's right here. So I'm trying to remove as much as this as possible, because you know you can make some money off it. As you can see, finished pull the whole wiring harness out. There's some sensors that I had to kind of cut, or some wires I have to kind of cut to go through in different places. This strut is broken. The other side is good. So that's basically removed all the wiring harness from everywhere. As you can see. So I'm about to start packing up everything. All of these sensors, I need them just in case if anything. So I'm happy about that. I took the water pump out as you see in the video. So it's a lot of stuff that we got out of this car. I mean, there's probably onesies and twosies a little bit where, you know, we could throw out or scrap or whatever. Because even like this rebar right here, this bar is still good. But nevertheless, as you can see, I'm dirty and I'm sweaty. But that's all in a day's work. Like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Hey, we're keep going and we're doing it more. As you already got an update in the last episode about the white Audi. So I mean, we're done. It's almost done. I'm about to go back down there one more time before I head back over to the West Coast. So we're gonna drop off more parts, more tools for him. So once he gets done, I might not be able to finish the car how I wanted to, but they're gonna finish the car for me because it wouldn't make sense for me to come back and forth. But what I do want to make sure I get done on that car is all the electrical work, because on the passenger side there's no power, but on the driver's side there's power. But as you know, some of those wires have already been chopped off or whatever. But until next time, hey, and don't forget, cop yourself some merch on Rebuildz.com. Okay, and until next time, stay positive, stay motivated.